Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. Today I want to share something simple yet powerful, how walking just 30 minutes a day can literally change your brain. It's free, it's low impact, and it's one of the most effective tools we have to protect mental health, boost memory, and even fight depression. And yes, it's backed by science. In a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, adults who walked 30 minutes a day showed increased hippocampal volume, the part of the brain responsible for memory. That means walking isn't just good for your body, it actually grows your brain. Another study from Stanford University found that walking boosts creative thinking and problem solving by up to 60%. So, if you're feeling stuck, stressed, or foggy, walk it out. And let's not forget mood. Researchers at Harvard found that just 30 minutes of walking 5 days a week was as effective as antidepressants in reducing symptoms of mild to moderate depression. It triggers the release of endorphins, lowers cortisol, and helps regulate serotonin levels naturally. But here's the key. For walking to fully transform your brain and body, it needs to be part of a bigger system, a lifestyle that reduces inflammation and fuels your cells with the right nutrition. That's exactly what I teach in my book, Eat to Heal. In it, I introduce the Esther diet, a doctor-designed, anti-inflammatory, science-backed way of eating that helps you restore energy, improve brain function, and heal from the inside out. I've also created a free health coaching consultation to help you get started. In this one-on-one session, you'll discover how to apply the Esther diet to your unique health goals, naturally reduce pain and fatigue, and take back control of your well-being. So here's what to do next. Click the link below to claim your free health coach consultation and get your copy of Eat to Heal. This simple step could completely transform your brain, your energy, and your life.